Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products promising to elevate your beauty routine. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Oribe Bright Blonde Shampoo for beautiful color, a premium salon-grade shampoo designed specifically for color-treated blonde hair. Whether you're rocking platinum, honey, or something in between, this liquid formula aims to preserve brightness, combat brassiness, and maintain that fresh-from-the-salon glow. The shampoo itself is part of Oribe's luxurious color care line, and if you're familiar with the brand, you already know their signature Côte scent is an experience all on its own. Think clean, floral, and just a touch of coastal sophistication. But scent aside, the focus here is on formulation. It's sulfate-free and packed with a mix of violet pigments, botanical extracts, and Oribe's biorestorative complex, which is intended to gently cleanse while protecting and revitalizing the hair shaft from root to tip. In my own testing, I used this shampoo every third wash over the course of 3 weeks, working it into my hair care cycle to see how it performed under normal conditions: morning styling, heat exposure, and natural sun. Right away, the texture caught my attention. It has a slightly pearlescent look, smooth and silky to the touch, and lathers more richly than most sulfate-free shampoos. It rinses clean without stripping, which is critical for color-treated hair that's often more porous and fragile. In terms of results, I saw a noticeable reduction in brassiness, especially around my face where the sun tends to do the most damage. The tone stayed cool and bright, without that flat, grayish cast some toning shampoos can leave behind. And despite its toning power, my hair never felt dry, straw-like, or overworked. That balance between performance and gentleness is where Oribe really shines here. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the formulation is excellent, elegant, effective, and ideal for maintaining expensive salon color. The scent is elevated and lingers softly, giving you that freshly washed feeling without overpowering. It's also highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. My bottle is still going strong after weeks of use. On the downside, it's definitely in the luxury bracket in terms of price. And while I personally didn't experience any buildup, those with finer hair may want to alternate it with a clarifying wash now and then, especially if you're using a lot of styling products on top. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now, let's talk about value. At this price point, you're not just paying for the shampoo. You're investing in scalp health, pigment protection, and a luxury hair care ritual. If you're consistently lightening or toning your hair, it could absolutely be worth the splurge to maintain vibrancy between salon visits. But if budget is a concern, you might consider alternatives like Redken Blondage or Fanola No Yellow, which also target brassiness with varying intensity and come at a more accessible price point, though they may not match Oribe in terms of scent or nourishing properties. Compared to those alternatives, Oribe is gentler and more sophisticated in how it tones. Some lower-cost violet shampoos can lean aggressive, potentially over-drying the hair, especially with repeated use. Oribe, by contrast, takes a restorative approach, making it a better match for processed or brittle blondes. As for packaging, it's Oribe. We're talking weighted, sculptural bottles with that unmistakable signature look. Definitely vanity display worthy. The build quality is high-end and reflects the premium positioning of the product. The pump version is especially convenient for minimizing waste. I haven't personally had to contact Oribe customer support, but their reputation in the industry is solid. They're known for backing their salon partnerships and handling customer inquiries with care, which is reassuring when purchasing a luxury item. In short, Oribe Bright Blonde Shampoo for beautiful color absolutely lives up to its name, keeping blonde hair vibrant, healthy-looking, and soft to the touch without the harsh side effects often associated with purple shampoos. It's best suited for people who color their hair professionally and want to extend their investment with a product that supports both tone and texture. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the description or comments below. And if you've tried this shampoo yourself, I'd love to hear your take. Did it work as well for you? Let's chat in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.